everyone, the Penguinair is here. I have my friend here, Nate Dog, and we're starting in a game, so let's start. Hello, okay, I'm back. Okay, let's see.
A couple of minutes.
Oh, no, I meant a couple seconds, yes, seconds. Okay, so let's do this, yes.
Okay. It's taking a while. Okay. Out of every skin in the can't ask you now.
Oh, we're doing some overly offense.
Defense.
I mean defense, overly defense, you know.
Defense.
Oh, yes, yeah. Oh,
No!
okay, get ready. Will he pick it? Will he pick it? Oh, you stole my, oh, wow. Wow, and you stole my person. That is very nice. That's not very nice of you.
Sorry. I just don't like it.
Wow, you're me. You like Hanzo?
Don't you?
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah. I mean, but I saw a very, very good video about like sending people off, like making people fly. Have you seen something like that?
With this?
No, like making like dead bodies fly.
With me?
Yes. So you just have to kill people for me, and I'll try to send them to whatever's up there.
Okay.
See, we have our fellow friends.
I'm not over there.
Oh my gosh! Oh,
That was awesome.
gravity! The world's gravity is actually real.
Get back here. Gosh, you don't want to die instantly.
Hey, let me die instantly. Oh, look at this. Oh no! Oh no! I just gotta heal, instant heal, yo. I built a wall. I think that's a good wall. Ah, gotta kill them. Oh crap! There's a Junkrat.
Yeah. I'm not behind, so you can be okay.
Oh, I see your dead body. Oh, I need to build a wall. I would like to be safe around here. Stop. Junkrat, Junkrat, Junkrat. Oh my gosh, sniper wipers.
Really needs killed.
Yes, she's a really good Widowmaker.
You can be.
Oh, well, yeah, I know, but I want to see if it actually works, the space program. Oh, look! Oh my gosh, how many snipers do they have? Dude, they have a lot. I just want to kill people so they can be free. Do you want to build a wall? Oh, dang it, I already wasted my wall. There's a dead body. There's a dead body and I want to send it up to space.
I need help.
Uh,
Keep it that way, dude.
okay, go to space. Watch this. Oh my gosh, she flies. She flies. That is amazing. Oh no. Okay. We just need a dead body. That's out in the open. Oh dang it, no. I can't. Oh, dang it. People,
Okay, wait. How did this?
come on, we need to go. Gotta go, go, go. Go, go, go. Gotta go.
Come on. Oh gosh.
That is,
Why?
oh crap. Okay, is there a dead body? Oh crap, no. I'm trapping myself. Oh crap, no! Oh my gosh! Um, do you not have your ultimate yet? Ow. That's not nice.
No, I don't, but I have it now.
Oh, now you do.
Yeah, I was about to kill their Junkrat, and then I died because of Riptire.
Oh, I killed someone. Okay, go space. Oh my gosh, he's a flyer. He's a flyer. Oh crap. Oh my gosh, how many were there? Oh, they could see me. Oh dang it, that's how I died. I'm just gonna be happy and build a wall. Okay. Oh my gosh, it works. We've gotta make this chain very pretty. Oh yes, very pretty. I'll save you, dead bodies. Oh, look, I see everyone. Everyone's in the household, yes? Oh no! Build a wall! Oh, I wasted my wall. Oh no! Oh no! They're coming for both. Widowmakers! Widowmakers! Go, Widowmakers! Not a lot. Not a lot. That's even worse for us. Oh no! Oh! Oh my gosh, I saw that. It was creepy.
How did you end up in that?
What? Oh no! There's no more ceiling! Ow! Ow! Get away! Come here! I'm gonna destroy them! Woo! Yeah! Oh look, I killed someone! I think it's useless for him to be here now. Okay, let's do this. I am Shorty. Can shorties do this? Yes. Yes, they can. Hit. 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 Yes. Ow. Why are you up there? Oh crap, no, I'm gonna die! Oh. Oh, there's a lot of arrows. There's a lot of people that died. Oh. Shoot them, shoot them. Tarby. Oh! Oh no!
There's 2 Widowmakers in one spot, guys. Come on.
Where are those 2 Widowmakers?
They're in the
Oh,
same spot.
I see them. They won't be for long.
Everybody's dying.
Oh no! Can you guys protect me? I mean, I'm trying to build a turret. No, not short. Oh! Oh! They have a bastion. Oh crap! Oh no! Get away from me! Oh no! There's a maid that snuck up on me. How are you doing? Doing good? Oh, I think we can win. I think we can win. Start beyond. Let's do this. Let's go. Hit. 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 May, come here. May. May. You're not gonna hit me. You're not gonna hit me. Oh crap. No, no. Oh crap. I forgot May could do that. Oh, there's a May behind you. Oh, Night Dog, there's a man behind you. Oh, yes, I actually killed someone. Hey, we actually did this. We actually did this. Feel proud. See, look, we all look pretty. Oh, yeah, I mean, yeah. Oh, it was ours. That's nice. It's our guy.
Triple kill. Quadruple kill.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of kills. Oh, look at that killing. That's like a little. No. We can do this. So, what are we gonna do next?
Well, I got a loot box.
Oh, I do too. Let's open them. Let's see what the magicals, the normal loot boxes. Let's see what they do. Oh gosh. Oh, I got some money.
Well, actually,
I got a new victory post.
I got nothing, actually.
I got a victory pose.
And
Oh, that's not a lot of stuff.
I got a duplicate and a money.
I got 150 money.
Same.
Yeah. So. Okay, what are we doing next, mister?
I got
Okay. Okay. Hey. Well, bye.
You need to be able to talk to me. I'm leaving.
Okay. So, if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. This is a little bit different. I actually have friends. Don't be mad at me. So, this is ThePenguinair here leaving you with a crack. No, a quack. You know.